Still driving without a dash cam in 2025? You're taking chances you don't have to. From insurance claims to catching close calls or just keeping an eye on your car while it's parked, dash cams are a smart, affordable upgrade. I've tested a bunch this year across real-world conditions, and these 5 are the ones that truly stood out. Whether you're on a budget or want full 24/7 protection, let's dive in. All right, kicking things off is a real price-performance surprise. The Miofive S1 Ultra gives you true 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, built-in GPS, 5G8's Wi-Fi for super fast transfers, and surprisingly good low-light performance, all for around $200. Let that sink in. Flagship-level 4K video with GPS without the flagship price tag. That used to be unheard of. Now it's not perfect. The frame rate is capped at 30 FPS even at lower resolutions, and the windscreen mount could be more secure. Plus, the AI driver alerts, honestly, they're not that useful. But in terms of raw video quality, this thing punches way above its weight. In my real-world testing, license plates were clear even in dusk lighting, and GPS tagging was reliable enough to back up any insurance claim. If you're just looking to protect yourself without breaking the bank, this is still one of the best 4K options out there. If you want something clean, discreet, and dead simple to use, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 is kind of perfect. It's about the size of a car key fob. You can literally hide it behind your rearview mirror, and no one will ever notice it's there, including you. It records 1080p full HD footage with HDR, so exposure looks good even in tricky lighting. It doesn't have a screen. Everything is controlled via the Garmin Drive app, but that's the whole point. It's designed to stay out of your way while still having your back. This is the dash cam I recommend for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, or honestly anyone who wants coverage without clutter. Just keep in mind, no GPS, no 4K, and if you already own the Mini 2, probably not worth the upgrade. But if you're new to dash cams or just want something reliable, the Mini 3 nails it. Okay, let's talk innovation. The 70 MOI Omni is not your average dash cam. This one actually rotates. Physically, the lens rotates within its mount to give you 360-degree coverage, which means it can record not only the road, but also inside the car, or any movement around it while parked. That makes it great for rideshare drivers, families, or anyone who's ever had someone scratch their car and drive off. Video resolution maxes out at 1080p, but you do get 60 frames per second, which helps capture fast motion clearly. The Omni also includes built-in eMMC storage, no SD card required, and supports AI-powered parking surveillance and motion alerts. In testing, I was impressed with the voice controls, the fun display animation, and the wide-angle lens. Low-light performance is solid thanks to the f1.8 aperture. One catch: no built-in cloud backup unless you buy the separate 4G hardware kit. But overall, this is one of the most versatile and feature-rich dash cams you can get for under $150. Now we're getting into the big leagues. The Nextbase IQ is probably the smartest dash cam you can buy right now. And honestly, calling it just a dash cam feels like selling it short. This thing's more like a fully connected security system for your car. You're getting up to 4K resolution on the front, a 2K cabin view, and optional rear coverage if you want full protection. But what really makes it stand out are the smart features. For example, there's this thing called witness mode. You just say a keyword and it instantly starts recording and saving what's happening. Super useful in stressful situations when you might not have time to fumble with buttons. You can also check in on your car remotely, straight from your phone. So if you're away and something seems off, you can pull up the live feed, no problem. It also keeps an eye out when your car is parked. Motion detection, parking surveillance. If someone's lurking around your vehicle or bumps into it, you'll know. And while you're driving, it can give you real-time driver alerts, like warning you about potential collisions or distractions. It's not just recording, it's actually helping you drive safer. And yep, it keeps running even when your engine's off, because it's hardwired straight into the battery. In my tests, the setup was quick, the app was smooth, and the night footage, way better than I expected. The only real downside? Most of those smarter features are locked behind a subscription. So, if you're not planning to pay monthly, you won't get the full experience. But if you're serious about protecting your vehicle 24/7, this is hands down one of the most advanced dash cams you can get in 2025. At number 1, we've got the Viofo A329, and honestly, this is the dash cam I'd recommend to 90% of drivers right now. Why? Because it hits that perfect sweet spot between performance, features, and price. You're getting true 4K video at 60 FPS from the front cam, 2K resolution on the rear, excellent night vision, dual-channel recording, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and even external SSD support, up to 4 terabytes. That's insane storage capacity for a consumer dashcam. Now, installation is a bit more involved. There's more cabling to deal with, especially if you're hardwiring for parking mode. But once it's set up, it just works. Video quality is sharp, license plates are legible, motion detection is responsive, and the Viofo app is super intuitive. If you want flagship-level performance with none of the overpriced fluff, the A329 is hands down the best value dashcam on the market this year. So, there you go. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly Full HD cam or a feature-packed 4K smart system, these are the 5 dash cams I'd actually trust in my own car. Do you need the smartest cam on the market, or are you just trying to protect your ride on the cheap? Let me know what you're rocking or thinking about picking up in the comments. And if this helped you out, hit that like button, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Drive safe, stay sharp, and keep recording.